tell us something about your course.
That was very good. It's my actually the second dive.
Good.
Yesterday was the first time.
Did you enjoy it?
I did very much.
How deep it was?
About 11 meters.
11 meter. Very good, huh? Yes.
Yeah, I loved it.
Okay, well done.
Thank you.
Say it in Chinese. Say something in Chinese.
Thank you, Mr. Ali.
This is Sam.
Yeah,
Yeah, my instructor, Mr. Sam. Yes.
Say it in Chinese.
欢迎来潜水欧曼。Oman is Oman
Hassan.
Yes.
city.
Mr.
Very
Ali.
nice city. Very quiet. Very quiet
Is that
area.
Chinese?
It's okay. Okay, enough.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.